In this video, we will learn how to divide the number 242 by 2 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Subtracting from 2 we get a 0. Now 0 is less than 2. That is why we will bring down this adjacent 4 here. Now look that this is the number 4. So we can remove this 0. And we know that 2 times 2 is 4. Again subtract, we get a 0. Now this 0 is less than 2. That is why we will bring down this adjacent 2 here. Again look that this is the number 2. So we will remove this left hand 0. And we know that 2 times 1 is 2. Subtract, we get 0. As we have got the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 242 divided by 2 is equal to 121. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.